So let's finish up the worksheet with number 7. A crime scene tape has a width of 13.8 centimeters. A long strip of it is torn off and measured to be 56 meters long. Convert the 56 meters into centimeters. Well, we can do that from last section. Set up the unit meters on the denominator so that it'll cancel. My desired units on top. I know that for every 100 centimeters, I have 1 meter. Cancel meters. This tells me to multiply. So I end up with 5,600 centimeters. Easy enough. But what is the area of this rectangular strip of tape in square centimeters? Well, what I've just done is I've converted one of the lengths into centimeters so that it will now match the other length, which is already in centimeters. So all I'm doing here is calculating the area of a rectangle. Now, it's a very, very long rectangle, very, very long, but all I'm doing is going length times width, which in this case is 13.8 centimeters times 5,600 centimeters. Let's bring in the old calculadora. 13.8 times 5,600. And I get 77,280. Again, that's what the calculator says. Doesn't necessarily mean it's what I want to report for my answer because, again, we have to consider significant figures. Looking at my calculation, 3 significant figures here, 2 significant figures here. So I need to report my answer in 2 significant figures. Here's going to be the 77, and I need to replace, let's see, the 2 tells me just to keep it as a 7, right? So 77,000, just all zeros with no decimal. Because if I had a decimal anywhere in this number, that would make these 3 digits significant. I don't want them to be, so I'll purposefully leave out the decimal. So I'm going to report either 77,000 square centimeters, or if I wanted to put this into scientific notation, which you don't have to, but it's something that we're practicing, so it wouldn't hurt if you wanted to. It'd be 7.7 times 10 to the 4th squared centimeters.